Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you cornstarch and water will literally remove the wrinkles and the fine lines for you and will get you baby looking skin, 16 years old skin with very simple ingredients at home. This magical remedy works and it gives instant results and it whitening the skin tone up to 4 shades as well, and it removes the wrinkles and the fine lines without Botox or filler, and it's super effective and it works. It gives an amazing result. You will notice the result from first use, my friends, and you will be amazed with the result by keep using it. It's a grandma secret to look 16 years old even if you are over 50 years old. This magical remedy will work for you and will get you an amazing result. But before I start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it and you will get so many useful beauty tips from me, so make sure to subscribe. This magical remedy, we need the first ingredient we need in a clean mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, just the normal corn flour or cornstarch. Then add on it room temperature water. Add around 20 ml of room temperature water. Mix very well like so and place it underneath double boiler method or place it in a microwave oven for around 30 seconds. Until it will become a cream paste like so. As you can tell, it became a cream paste. And now we need to get the second step. We need 1 soap and soap bar, and here I'm using Dove soap bar. We need to shred around 2 teaspoons of soap bar. That much. Now place the soap bar, the soap, shredded soap, on the remedy like so. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until the soap will dissolve completely. After mixing very well and combining all the ingredients together, store it in a container. And our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like so. Apply generous amount and leave it for 15 minutes. And then wash it with water. And you'll be amazed with the result, my friends. It removes the wrinkles and the fine lines and will make you 16 years old with this simple ingredients at home, and you will be amazed with the result. I'm sure that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.